Hey guys, welcome back to once again my channel. New and latest beautiful idea donut cakes and donut cakes, cupcake like are most beautiful and decorative idea and style where view crochet donut cake pattern. Creating a crochet donut cake can be a delightful and sweet project. Here are simple pattern for a small crochet donut cake, and words weight yarn in donut color brown, and words weight yarn in icing color pink and white. Latest and style ideas, material words weight and small amount of yarn in various sprinkles color. Crochet hooks suitable for your yarn, and Fiberfill for stuffing material, and different latest ideas and style. So I hope you like it, my video and channel. And your crochet donut cake is complete. You can experiment with colors and size to create different beautiful looks. This sweet crochet creation can be a cute decoration or a toy for like as a decoration play. Enjoy your crochet project. So I hope you like it, my video. Guys, please keep sharing and watching my video and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Keep sharing, watching my video, and creating a crochet donut shaped cake can be a delightful and fun project. There are basic patterns to help you get started. So I hope you like it. Your crochet donut shaped is ready. Feel free to customize it. Try editing more decoration like sprinkles or embroidery to make it look even more delicious.